Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today I am located just in between Ostuni and Carovigno. Now we are actually in the comune of Ostuni, and I'm showing you a very cute property I came across very recently. Very nicely done, incredible garden. I love the space of the surrounding area of this property. It is a small property, it's around 36 square meters of actual property. We're talking about a 1-bedroom with 2 bathrooms, kitchen, living space. It's very much all about the outside living space, and it's a very simple but very cute property that I just had to take on. So without further ado, let's start to walk inside. Now you can see this is the entrance way here, so you actually have this area here which is kind of for the parking area, and you can kind of see they've got this stone wall which separates the living space behind, which we're going to see in a moment, but it's actually really nicely done. Like, I think it's a very cute entrance to the property. We are in a very quiet and peaceful area as well, and it does have Trulli kind of dotted around. As always, we'll put up the drone video to show you where we are. We're very close to Carovigno here in particular. But as you can see, it's 2 separate structures here. We've got a Trullo saraceno with a modern style small villa on this side here. We're going to start with the modern villa here and just kind of show you the setup, because again, I found it incredibly charming, as I love what they've done with the place. We've got a really good solid sized kitchen here. You can see we do also have air conditioning, which does also do the heating in the house, and obviously being that it's not a huge house, it doesn't require a lot to actually get it warmed up. Now there's an induction style cooker as well, so it all runs off of electric here. Now we do also have an artesian well in this property, so no issues for water. That is a massive plus. Obviously in the countryside. And again, look how much space you have here, much bigger than in most larger properties. This is a really decent sized kitchen. I love the amounts of light coming in this property. We've got light coming from this side, that side, and as you can see, the outside area at the back as well. So tons of light, very good space, and beautiful garden outside, which you're seeing. You'll see there's tons of plants. The current owner of this property loves plants, and you can tell. So this leads me on through to this bathroom here. And you can see it's a decent sized bathroom, very good sized shower, and again, it doesn't really need any work. This is a property which doesn't need any work to be done, and you can move into it and start enjoying it immediately. Nice that you have a large window as well, just facing onto the back. You've got a sink here, so pretty much everything you need is already in this bathroom, but we do actually have a second bathroom which is in the Trullo saraceno itself. This is my favorite space in the house. You can see again what I mentioned at the beginning of the video. This is all about the outside living space here, and you can see we've got this glass veranda here that is closed. You can close it so you can use it in the winter time, and this kind of faces on to the back garden of the property. And as I say, she has been incredibly good at creating this garden. There's been a lot of attention to detail, and you can just feel it. It feels much nicer than the average plot of land that we usually get. Now I kind of want to bring you round to the outside of this area, because again we've kind of come onto the other side of where the stone wall is, and you can see we've got a little lemon tree in the corner there. You've got an outside lounge area. It is just all very nicely done, very cutely done. And the nice thing about it also is that the road in front of the house, which you're seeing now, has very few cars going by. So it's not very rare that you see someone drive by. So it's a very peaceful area. Probably there'll be no cars going by for the time that we're here. So very nice to have, and definitely take a look at all the detail. You can see this stone little walkway here with a little step down. Again, all very nice. We've got a beautiful fig tree here. You've got some roses over there. I mean, it's very rare that we come across a property that is so nicely done, especially with the outside garden looking at it as it is. So just walking around the outside here, you can see we've now come to this outside shower area. Again, I'm going to say it a lot, this is all about outside living. So these are the areas which you're going to be living most of the time. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here in Puglia, and most of the year we have days like this. It's already almost too hot to stay in the sun. But very nice that you've got this outside shower. Again, another really good sized shower outside. You've got a couple of tables here with the plants in the background. I love all these little details. I mean, remove any one of these details and it's just not the same. But there's a lot here to see in terms of, you know, details that really make the difference. The plants dotted all around, even the pots. I like the style of pots that they've used here, so it's not been done without thought. Now we have 2 cisterns as well in this property, so you have an artesian well and 2 cisterns, so incredibly no difficulties for water whatsoever. I haven't actually mentioned you've got an outside sink here, so very much an outside space where easily you can complete it and do an outside barbecue area and kitchen. Very easy to do. And then you're dining out here. Nice that you've got this shade out here, obviously, especially now that it gets hotter. But then you also, the backdrop of that entire side is this really cute Trullo saraceno, which is really nice to see. But I also kind of want to show you where we came from. The entrance here, you can see we've got the Trullo, which is the next door neighbour, so in front. Very nice that you've got that also as a backdrop. You can kind of see the entrance here is dotted with plants all around again. And then we also have a very useful room here. We do actually have a washing room. You've got your fridge in here, and you've got actually a good amount of storage. I'll get out of your way so you can see better. You've actually got a really good amount of storage space as well, which again, in a house this small, it is a very good thing to have. So coming back to the Trullo saraceno, you can see here we have the bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. And what a special bedroom it is. Beautiful how they've exposed all the stone. It has been done very nicely. It's nice and cool in here. On today's actually quite warm outside, and it's nice and cool in here. So very little need for air conditioning in this room. We do also have the air conditioning if you do need it, which also does heating in this room as well. And you can see here we've got the bathroom. So you've got a bathroom with the shower, toilet and a sink as well. So again, I really like the style of this, and it's actually a decent size as well. Now for you wine lovers, we also have a space down this ladder which would make an ideal wine cellar if you wanted it. So plenty of space for having your wine in here. And again, what a beautiful bedroom we have in this Trullo saraceno. So coming back outside, you can see there's another part to the Trullo saraceno, which is this little room here. Now, it's currently being used as a storage room, but I'd argue you could get a single bed, maybe width-wise, in there. And if you had any, you know, if you were having children or someone that didn't need much space, this could potentially be used as a second bedroom. But then if we look here, you've actually got a beautiful walkway that stretches all the way round the land. I kind of just want to walk through this area here because it's actually my favorite part of the property. And as you can see, again, dotted plants all the way through this property. It is just very, very peaceful and just has a great feel to it. As I say, we see lots of properties. There's lots we don't take on, but this one just really spoke to me. And when I came out to see the garden area here, I just thought of all the other things that you could do to just improve it even that much more. We have a ton of different types of fruit trees here. So all you can kind of see behind, lots of fruit trees. Again, it's around 12,000 square meters of land. So it's actually a really good plot of land, allowing you to do a lot with this property. And again, I just think there's so much potential, but I also love what they've done so far. I love these rose beds here. And again, you can see the irrigation is actually going through all of this land. But just imagine what else you could do with it. It is truly special. I think the last final shot, I kind of want to have the Trullo saraceno in the background with the property. And even these steps that you go down, look at them, they're made from this big chunky stone. Again, it doesn't feel like a house which has been done just for the sake of doing it and then selling it. This feels like something someone has loved. It's a project which someone has put a lot of love into and a lot of attention to detail. I think that's pretty much everything I needed to say on this property, but obviously if you have any questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and thank you very much for watching.